Imagine a creature that can heal itself from almost any injury. No doctor, no medicine, just pure biological magic. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this superpower is buzzing all around us, hidden in one of the world's most familiar insects? This is the secret world of the bee that heals its wounds. Now, when most folks think of bees, they picture honey, maybe pollination, or the occasional sting. But beneath those fuzzy stripes lies a survival system that's nothing short of miraculous. Bees live in a world packed with danger-sharp twigs, hungry predators, even battles inside the hive. For a honeybee, life outside the hive is a high-stakes mission. A tear in a wing or a puncture from a predator isn't just an inconvenience, it's a life-threatening emergency. With every second, precious fluid leaks out, and the door is open for deadly pathogens. In the unforgiving world of insects, there are no paramedics, no emergency rooms. Survival is a solo act, a testament to an individual's resilience. So how does a creature so fragile perform such incredible feats of self-repair? The answer lies deep within its body. Let's zoom in, way in, to witness a biological process perfected over millions of years. First, bees don't have blood like we do. Our blood is red because of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen. Bees use a separate network of tubes for breathing, so their internal fluid, called hemolymph, doesn't need it. This greenish-yellow hemolymph circulates in an open system, sloshing around and bathing all their internal organs directly. It's a delivery service for the entire body, transporting nutrients, hormones, and crucially, a dedicated team of emergency medics. Meet the plasmatocytes. These are the bees' first responders. The moment a wound occurs, chemical signals alert them and they swarm to the injury site. Here, they perform a remarkable transformation, changing shape and becoming sticky. They interlock to form a plug, sealing the breach within minutes, but their job isn't done. They also act as microscopic sentinels, engulfing bacteria and debris to prevent infection, all while laying the groundwork for the exoskeleton to regenerate. It's a perfectly choreographed, life-saving ballet performed by the tiny architects of repair. And here's the kicker. The bee's tough exoskeleton isn't just armor. This intricate shield made of a substance called chitin is a marvel of biological engineering. It's coated in a waxy layer that not only keeps the bee from drying out, but also acts as a first line of defense, repelling water and the microbes hitching a ride on it. Think of it less like simple plate mail, and more like a high-tech, self-cleaning force field. When that barrier is breached, an internal army springs into action. The bee's circulatory fluid, its hemolymph, is teeming with specialized immune cells called hemocytes. Some act like microscopic sentinels, engulfing smaller invaders. Others work together to surround and encapsulate larger threats, effectively mummifying them. This internal response teams up with the exoskeleton, forming a dynamic double barrier that keeps the bad stuff out while rapid repairs happen inside. But the magic doesn't stop there. Nature equipped bees with a micropharmacy built right in. Their bodies constantly manufacture a potent cocktail of antimicrobial peptides, molecules like defensins and apodicins. These are like precision-guided missiles, targeting and punching holes in the cell walls of invading bacteria and fungi. This proactive, ever-present shield is essential for survival in a crowded, warm hive, where disease could otherwise run rampant. And remember propolis, the sticky bee glue they craft from tree resins? This isn't just hive construction material, it's the bee's external medicine cabinet. Rich in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, propolis is a powerful antiseptic. Bees meticulously line their hive with it, creating one of the most sterile environments in nature. And when injured, they use it like a disinfectant bandage, carefully applying the sticky substance to their own wounds to prevent infection and speed up healing. So why did bees win this particular evolutionary lottery, and not other insects like flies or ants? The answer lies in their unique social structure, the superorganism. A fly lives a solitary life. Many ant colonies rely on overwhelming numbers, but for honeybees, the colony isn't just a collection of individuals, it's the individual. The entire hive functions as a single cohesive being, where each bee is like a cell in a larger body. In this superorganism, every single bee is critical. A typical honeybee colony is a bustling metropolis of 50,000 to 60,000 citizens, each with a specialized job. You have nurse bees tending to the young, guard bees protecting the entrance, and forager bees, the vital breadwinners. Losing even a handful of these key workers isn't a minor inconvenience. It's a direct blow to the colony's economy, meaning less nectar and pollen to raise the next generation. This triggers a devastating cascade effect. A weakened workforce leads to a stressed colony, making it more susceptible to diseases, parasites, and environmental pressures. The loss of a few can threaten the survival of the whole. This is where their remarkable self-healing becomes a powerful evolutionary advantage. It's not just about individual survival, it's about preserving the superorganism. By healing a wound in minutes, a bee isn't just saving itself, it's saving a vital component of the hive's machinery. It ensures an experienced forager can return to her post, and a nurse bee can continue feeding the larvae. This rapid repair system keeps the collective workforce at peak efficiency, allowing the colony to grow, store honey for winter, and raise strong new generations. When modern science turned its lenses on this phenomenon, the findings were astonishing. This isn't just trivia, it's a potential goldmine for human medicine. This is the field of biomimicry, learning from nature's genius to solve human problems. Researchers are studying the bee's healing process to reverse engineer its secrets. Their blood, called hemolymph, is packed with proteins that trigger near-instantaneous clotting. Imagine a surgical glue or battlefield dressing inspired by this, one that could seal a wound in seconds, preventing blood loss and infection. It's about borrowing tricks from the beehive to revolutionize our emergency rooms. But for all the excitement, we're standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored territory. Scientists are like biological detectives, using cutting-edge tools like proteomic analysis and gene editing to piece together clues. The big questions remain. How is the healing response triggered with such incredible speed? What are the precise antimicrobial agents that prevent infection? And what are the genetic blueprints that code for this entire biological toolkit? Mapping these intricate pathways is the next great frontier in this research. So the next time you see a bee, take a moment. Look past the simple insect and see the marvel of evolution it represents. Think about the microscopic heroism happening beneath its wings, a drama of survival and regeneration. These tiny creatures are more than just pollinators. They are living libraries of biological solutions, honed over millions of years. Their secrets, once unlocked, might just change our own lives in ways we're only beginning to imagine. This incredible potential was found in a common honeybee. It's a powerful reminder of why biodiversity is so critical. What other life-saving secrets are hidden in the countless species we share this planet with? If you're fascinated by these hidden wonders, subscribe to join us on more journeys into the secret lives of the organisms around us. Because in nature, every creature has a story to tell, and every bee counts.